Are you looking to make professional videos but struggling to find the time and resources to do so? Look no further than Pictory AI, the video creation platform that takes the hassle out of video production. With Pictory AI, all you need is a script, and the platform will take care of the rest. Simply input your script, and Pictory AI will create a high-quality video with stock footage, sound, and subtitles. You can even add your own images and voiceover to customize your video. But what sets Pictory AI apart is its ease of use. The platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for even novice video creators to produce high-quality content. And with a variety of style options, you can customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand or message. One of the standout features of Pictory AI is its use of stock media from storyblocks. This ensures that your video looks polished and professional without the need for expensive equipment or a production team. And with a vast library of stock media to choose from, you can find the perfect footage to complement your message. But Pictory AI isn't just for those looking to create videos quickly and easily. The platform also offers advanced editing options, allowing you to tweak your video to your heart's content. You can add or remove scenes, edit text and visuals, and adjust the timing and pacing of your video. And if you're looking to create a consistent brand image across all of your videos, Pictory AI has got you covered. The platform offers brand settings, where you can add your logo, intro, and outros to create a cohesive look and feel for all of your video content. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of Pictory AI is its ability to create high-quality videos in just a matter of minutes. With the platform's speedy rendering and previewing, you can have a finished video ready to go in no time at all. Of course, no video platform is without its limitations. While Pictory AI does offer a wide range of stock media to choose from, you may occasionally find yourself wanting more specific footage that isn't available. And while the platform does offer advanced editing options, those looking for precise control over their video may find the options somewhat limited. But for those looking to create high-quality videos quickly and easily, Pictory AI is an excellent choice. Whether you're a small business owner looking to create a promotional video or a content creator looking to produce videos on a regular basis, Pictory AI makes the process simple and straightforward. So why not give Pictory AI a try and see for yourself how easy and hassle-free video production can be? With its intuitive interface, vast library of stock media, and advanced editing options, Pictory AI is the perfect platform for anyone looking to create professional videos with ease.